Hello, and welcome to another shape drawing challenge. I'm cartoonist Kevin Coulston, and today we're going to draw 3 characters with this shape. Okay, to start, you're going to want to draw the 3 shapes you see on your screen. Go ahead and pause, take all the time you need. Now for our first character, I'm going to draw an old man because I see, up here it looks like the head, and then he looks like he's hunched over, so I instantly just thought, an old guy. Maybe we'll draw an old guy standing here with a cane. Got some good old guy face going on. We'll give him a little shirt with a collar. Some bent legs down here. Make it look like he's having trouble walking. And then we'll give him some pants. Sleeve here for his arm, and of course we're going to have him holding his cane. Alright, for this next one I think we'll do an alien. We'll make it a cyclops. Got this thing here, kind of looks like a trunk, like an elephant or maybe like an anteater. Give him a silly little mouth. Give him some nostrils down here. Some antenna. Really make him look alien. Elephant-like ears. That's a cool little alien. Now for this next one, we're gonna flip our shape around. And now I see something completely different. Very obviously a T-Rex body. Draw his legs. Give him his tail. Cool looking spikes up here. And we'll give him his little arms. Can't reach anything. And we'll give him a little nostril. And that's it. We've got 3 new characters, all from the same shape. As always, you guys should draw this shape or any other shape you think of and just add some stuff to it. Add some funny eyes, some noses. Just get silly with it and let your imagination take over. I hope you guys enjoyed this drawing challenge as much as I did. If you'd like to learn how to draw more silly characters like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and be sure to check out my drawing books on firstartbooks.com.